In this guide, I'll show you how to use your phone as a hotspot on PS4. So the first thing you want to do is actually go onto your phone, and you want to navigate to settings. Now once you're in settings, if your cellular data isn't turned on, make sure it's turned on, and then we're going to select personal hotspot. So here you want to toggle on allow others to join, and you also want to set a Wi-Fi password as well. So after you've done that, you can close out of your phone. And then on the PS4, we're going to scroll up and scroll over, and we're going to go to settings. Now, once you're in settings, scroll down and select network settings. Then we're going to go to set up internet connection. Now here, we're going to select use Wi-Fi, and we're going to go to easy setup for internet connection. So the phone hotspot should appear under Wi-Fi networks, so go ahead and select it. And then you want to input the password you created on your phone for the hotspot. So select OK and your internet settings will be updated, and you can also test your internet connection as well to ensure it's working. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.